In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text from video in VN app. If you've got a clip with a watermark, a timestamp, or on-screen text you don't want, the VN Video Editor app makes it easy to hide it right on your phone. We'll walk through starting a project, finding the exact moment the text appears, and then 3 simple ways to conceal it: crop or zoom, blur, and cover. Choose the method that looks most natural for your footage. Start by opening the VN app. Tap New Project and select the video that has the text you want to remove. Once it's on the timeline, scrub through the clip to locate the section where the text shows up. Take your time here, drag the playhead to the precise frame so you can make clean edits right where they matter. The first approach is the crop or zoom method. With 2 fingers, pinch to zoom in on the video, then drag the frame so the unwanted text sits outside the visible area of the screen. This works best when the text or watermark is near an edge. Keep the zoom modest so you don't lose too much image quality, and double check that your main subject still stays well framed. The second approach is the blur method. Tap the clip, then open Effects or Blur. Add a blur over the area where the text appears so it's no longer readable. Adjust the size, intensity, and softness so it blends naturally with the footage. Make sure the blur lasts for the entire time the text is visible, and preview a few seconds before and after to confirm it doesn't pop in or out abruptly. The third approach is the cover method. Tap sticker or text and place a shape, sticker, or a new text layer directly over the unwanted text. This is a great option when you'd prefer a clean label or a graphic instead of hiding it with blur. Match colors to your background for a subtle look, or add your own caption to turn a distraction into a design element. Resize and position the layer carefully so it stays aligned with the area you're covering. When you're done, play back the edited section to make sure the text is fully hidden and that your solution looks consistent throughout the clip. If anything shifts or peeks through, fine-tune the zoom, blur strength, or overlay placement. Finally, tap export or the download icon to save your edited video to your device. That's it. Pick the method that best fits your footage, preview to confirm, and you're ready to share a clean, distraction-free video.